Welcome to This is UIC Weekly, bringing you the top stories you need to know from the University of Illinois Chicago each week. It's Friday, August 15th. Here's the latest. For the last 10 summers, UIC has helped Chicago teachers introduce the field of biomedical engineering to their students. Through the Biomedical Engineering Experience for Science Teachers program, high school educators have spent 6 summer weeks in UIC labs, learning from working researchers, watching cutting-edge experiments, and building hands-on curricula for their upcoming classes. Since 2016, 72 teachers from 43 public schools have participated in the program, bringing what they've learned to thousands of students citywide. At UIC, they've explored topics like artificial tissues, stroke rehabilitation, and even microfluidic devices, all while earning stipends and funds for classroom supplies. Teachers say the program transforms how they teach by connecting science to social justice, real-world careers, and even pop culture.
Since 2008, an intensive 4-week summer course has brought students of all backgrounds to UIC to study architecture, even if they don't have a background in the field. Hosted by the College of Architecture, Design, and the Arts, the Y-Arch program is sort of a crash course to introduce learners of all ages to both basic and advanced architecture concepts. They design buildings, build models, visit leading Chicago architecture firms, and hear from visiting experts in the field. Gwen Fullenkamp said the program was born from the recognition that applicants to UIC's graduate architecture program come with a variety of experiences and backgrounds.
This was sort of a natural extension from that sort of philosophy and interest within the school to really be able to create a pathway for students coming from any background, from any level of experience, to be able to really gain an understanding of architecture and ultimately thrive in the field.
A new study from the University of Illinois Chicago reveals how the blood-brain barrier, our brain's natural defense system, becomes leakier with age, contributing to memory loss. Published in Cell Reports, the research uncovers how this barrier made of tightly connected cells starts to break down due to a decline in key proteins like occludin and N-cadherin. Researcher Yulia Komarova, associate professor in the Department of Pharmacology and Regenerative Medicine at the College of Medicine, explains that these proteins help seal the barrier, keeping harmful substances out.
Basically, it's a mechanism that separates the central nervous system from everything else.
But as we age, the barrier weakens, allowing unwanted molecules into the brain and potentially triggering cognitive decline. In both mice and human brain tissue, the team found that reduced N-cadherin disrupts occludin's function, leading to memory issues. These changes begin in middle age, suggesting a wider window for early intervention. The findings open the door to new treatments targeting this molecular pathway, offering hope for slowing or even preventing age-related memory loss. UIC is Chicago's public research institution with a mission to provide the broadest access to the highest levels of research, educational, and clinical excellence. Visit today.uic.edu for these stories and more.